Hello everyone, I am Shwaili Dash welcoming you to the Medical and Pharmacy Crash Course Division in the Knowledge Club online. Friends, today I came with an episode in Medical and Pharmacy Crash Course Division, the MCQ question answer session regarding on previous lectures topics. This question answer session will help you to ready for a competitive exam or medical exam. At first, I am telling the rules of this type of episodes. You require to take one pen and paper only. At first 20 questions will be run over the screen. You have to write down the answer on the paper, and after 20 questions you submit your answer at comment box. Then check your answer correct or not from reset of the video. After 20 questions, I will discuss on the answers of those questions. If you follow this rule properly, definitely these episodes help you to revise, consolidate and polish your knowledge and skills. Also help you to develop in-depth understanding of the subject, assess and review knowledge. Questions contained in these types of episodes have been designed to be similar in pattern used in JEE Medical, NEET, CSIR UGC NET, GRE, DBT GRF, ICMR, GATE, GPAT, JNU PhD, JU PhD, IASC and so on medical exams and pharmacy semester exams. For the sake of better self-assessment as well as thorough and comprehensive understanding of the subject, I have kept it topic or chapter wise. So let's start today's session of question answer. Today's topic is cell structure and function on the basis of previous lectures on human cell structure and functions. If you missed that episode, please come for solving the questions after watching that videos thoroughly. You will get that videos link at description part. Sit with a pen and paper, start the answering and don't forget to send the answer at comment box before checking your answer. Your questions start now. Question number 1. Prokaryotic genetic system contains option A, DNA and histones, option B, DNA but not histones, option C, neither DNA nor histones, option D, either DNA or histones. Question number 2. Prokaryotic cells is one which does not have proper nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum and mitochondria, proper nucleus and most of the cell organelles, cell wall. Third question. Site of respiration in bacteria is episome, ribosome, microsome, mesosome. Number 4. The chemical substance most abundantly present in the middle lamella is calcium pectate, suberin, lignin, calcium phosphate. 5. Who proposed the concept of unit membrane for tripartite structure of lipoproteins? A. J. D. Robertson, B. Darwin, C. J. B. Summer, D. Robert. Number 6. Pinocytosis refers to ingestion of solid particles by plasma membrane, ingestion of liquid particles by plasma membrane, diffusion of solid particles by plasma membrane, diffusion of liquid particle by plasma membrane. 7. Polyribosomes are aggregation of ribosomes and rRNA, peroxisomes, several ribosomes held together by a string of mRNA, rRNA. 8. Golgi apparatus is absent in yeast, bluegreen algae, higher plant, liver cells. 9. Cellulose and hemicelluloses are the constituents of cell wall, are synthesized by microbodies, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, Golgi apparatus. Green pigments capable of capturing the energy of sunlight are located within the endoplasmic reticulum, chloroplast, cell wall, chromoplast. 11. Which of the following organelles are the cell's garbage disposal system? Peroxisomes, Golgi complex, phagosomes, lysosomes. Number 12. The selective digestion of cytoplasmic organelles by the lysosomes is called osmotrophic, autophagy, heterophagy, autolysis. 13. Basal bodies are associated with the development of cilia and flagella, cell plate, phragmoplast, kinetochore. 14. Region of chromosomes where force is exerted during separation of dividing chromosomes is chromonema, centromere, chromomere, telomere. What is nuclear organizer? Primary constriction, secondary constriction, nuclear matrix, nucleolus. 16. Chromosomal ends are known as metamere, centromere, satellite, telomere. 17. The term heterochromatin was given by Morgan, Hammerling, Emil Hertz, Warburg. 18. The cytoplasmic connections from cell to cell are known as middle lamella, plasmodesmata, cell membrane system, endoplasmic reticulum. 19. Cytochrome oxidase contains Fe, Mg, Cu, Mn. 20. Bulbini rings are found in heterosomes, polytene chromosomes, lump-brushed chromosomes, polysomes. Question number 1, answer is B. The histones are not found in association with the DNA of prokaryotes. Number 2, answer is C, because prokaryotes is an organism in which the genetic material is not enclosed in a cell nucleus. Bacteria are prokaryotes. Number 3, the answer is D. The mesosomes is a structure found in bacterial cells formed by intrusion of the plasma membrane into the protoplasm. The respiratory enzymes are associated with mesosome and have the same function as the mitochondrion of eukaryotic cells. 4, answer is A, because the middle lamella is a thin connecting cementing layer holding together neighboring plant cell walls. It consists mainly of pectin substances, that is the calcium pectate. The middle lamella is laid down at the cell plate during cell division. 5, answer is B. G. D. Robertson proposed the unit membrane concept. It means all biomembranes present inside the cell and around various cell organelles have trilaminar unit membrane structure with a bimolecular lipid layer sandwiched between two protein layers. Average thickness of unit cell membrane is 75 angstrom. Number 6, answer is B, because pinocytosis in the process of injection of fluid material by the cell through plasma membrane. The food vacuoles formed by the plasma membrane after injection of fluid are called pinosomes. 7, answer is C. Polyribosomes or polysome is an association of a variable number of ribosomes with single mRNA molecule that is used in translation. Polyribosomes occur free in cytoplasm or are bound to the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum or the outer membrane of the nucleus. Question number 8, answer is C. The Golgi apparatus is absent in prokaryotes, the blue-green algae and bacteria. Question number 9, answer is D. The cell walls of plants are made up of fibrils which predominantly contains polysaccharides along with some lipids and proteins. During cytokinesis, a cell plate is formed between two daughter nuclei and has around it a membrane, which later becomes a plasma membrane of the daughter cells. The polysaccharides are formed in the Golgi apparatus and the transfer to the new cell wall, which is laid down while the cells are still growing. The Golgi apparatus also contributes substances like pectins and hemicellulose, which form the matrix of the cell plate separating the plasma membrane. Question number 10, answer is B. Question number 11, answer is D. The lysosomes are the cell's garbage disposal system. Question number 12, answer is B. The autophagy is the process by which a cell degrades portions of its own cytoplasm, particularly individual organisms, by enclosing them within specially formed vacuoles. The autophagic vacuoles usually derived from the membranes of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Autophagic vacuoles are a type of secondary lysosomes. Question number 13. Answer is A. Basal bodies are similar to centrioles. A basal body lies at the base of flagellum or cilium and is known to form the cell. 14. Answer is B. The centromere is the region of the chromosome that becomes attached to the nuclear spindle during mitosis and meiosis. 15. Answer is B. The nuclear organizer is a special area on certain chromosomes associated with the formation of nucleus. 16. Answer is D. The terminal ends of chromosomes are called telomeres. 17. Answer is C. Emil Hertz gave the term heterochromatization. Question number 18. Answer is B. The cell wall usually possesses minute pores. The pores contain cytoplasmic strands called plasmodesmata. Plasmodesmata connect the protoplast of the adjacent cells to form a protoplasmic continuum called symplast. Question number 19. Answer is C. The cytochrome oxidase is a copper-containing complex associated with cytochrome A1 and A2 in the terminal electron transport chain of oxidative respiration. This complex reduces molecular oxygen. Question number 20. Bulbian rings are found in. Answer is B. The Bulbini ring, the puff, is a swelling that appears in the giant polytene chromosomes of the salivary glands of certain dipterans. RNA is found in the region of the puff, which is thought to indicate the site of messenger RNA synthesis by the gene. So guys, hope you enjoyed today's question and answer session and increased your knowledge more on cell structure. I am coming with another question and answer session on another chapter in next episode that will also help you to flourish your knowledge more. If you like this video, please like, share and comment freely. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you already subscribed, then thanks a lot. After subscribing our channel, please click on the bell button for getting the regular updates. I am coming with another video very shortly. Till then, goodbye.